Michelin. So today we are gonna make egg toast, and for the ingredients we need some breads, eggs, cooking oil, chili sauce and also mayonnaise. Let's get started. First of all, cut the breads into 4 small pieces, but it is up to you on what size do you want. Next, crack the eggs into a bowl and stir them until they are smooth. Before frying the breads that were dipped into the eggs, do not forget to heat the cooking oil first so that the process of frying could be faster and smoother. After that, it's time for you to fry the dipped bread. Lastly, you are almost done. Serve the fried bread with chili sauce and mayonnaise to get a nice taste. Enjoy!